doesn't want to dramatically change the design of its phones often, but next year we could see the company embrace a design feature that some Android phones used to have to mark the iPhone's 20th anniversary. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. According to leaker Digital Chat Station on Weibo, the iPhone 19 Pro and 19 Pro Max might have quad curved screens. That would mean all four edges of the screen would be curved, although many speculate it might only be a slight curve, especially on the top and bottom edges. We've seen this idea before on phones like the Honor Magic 6 Pro and the Motorola Edge 60, so it's not a new concept. And dual curved screens used to be very popular among Android phone makers, even if these days most Android phones have flat screens. However, if Apple really does launch a quad curved iPhone, then it's very likely that we'll see a lot of Android devices following the suit again. Quad curved screens look striking and can reduce the visibility display bezels, so they certainly have upsides, and it makes sense that Apple would want to turn heads with the iPhone 19 Pro line since these phones will be on the 20th generation iPhone models, so maybe, just maybe, they could call it iPhone XX. We've also previously heard that the iPhone 19 Pro could have an under-display Face ID component, meaning it would either have just a small punch hole camera or no cutout in the screen at all. So you might want to skip the iPhone 18 line and hold out for September 2027 when the iPhone 19 Pro series is expected to land. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.